there, just wanted to take a couple of minutes to first thank those of you who were able to make it to our elementary volunteer leader gathering last Sunday after church. We really appreciate you taking time out of your life to come and spend a few minutes with us talking about some of the neat things that are starting to unfold in our elementary ministry at Neighborhood Church. And those of you who weren't able to make it wanted to be able to just kind of unpack some of that and share some of those details with you in this brief video so you can be as excited as we are about everything that's going to be starting here on February 1st. So first of all, we will be starting a new kids series in elementary called Undercover Kindness in February. You probably noticed that the kids today at church got a spy booklet where it has activities for all 4 weeks of February, where they'll get to do some spy activities on Sundays, on Wednesdays, some stuff at home. It's just going to help them know what their verse is, what's going along in the Bible story, some fun things to do with friends, and also just to remind them of their bottom line each week. So we're excited for those. They went out today. Each kid got one for themselves and one to give to a friend to invite them to come for Undercover Kindness in February. We'll also be giving out some additional ones this coming Sunday, the last Sunday of January. And so if kids missed it this week or just would like to have some more, they're able to pick those up. And so that starts on February 1st. Also, some fun stuff going on in February was we'll be moving the kids to some different classroom spaces. I'm sure you've noticed, as I have, that it can get kind of confusing on Sunday mornings when at one service the kids are dropped off in one room, and then in the second service they start in a different classroom, and for the volunteers and staff it can be kind of confusing, let alone for parents and kids. And then Wednesday nights they're in completely different rooms as well. So we want to kind of simplify everything for our families, for our volunteers and our kids. And so starting on February 1st, all of our kids will be in the same classrooms for Sunday mornings at both services and on Wednesday nights. So they'll get dropped off and picked off in the same rooms. So hopefully that will really make things just smoother and more simple for families. Kids during the service will still go over to room 1 where we have our awesome new stage for large group, but for their drop-off and pickup, that'll be the same at 8:45, at 10:30, and at Kids Zone on Wednesday nights. So we're excited, and hopefully that will help simplify everything for all of our families. Another fun thing that we're starting in February is we're really going to push into the concept of small groups with our elementary kids. We have a great large group time right now, and we're continuing to tweak that and kind of help that grow and expand, and are looking forward to maybe adding live worship in the next few months for our elementary kids. But as that continues to grow, we also want to put some emphasis on our small groups. And right now, our small groups can sometimes consist of 20 or more kids because we break them off into their age demographics, but we don't kind of break those groups up any farther. Well, starting in February, we're going to do that. In each of our classrooms, our kids will have about 4 small groups per room, where we're going to designate some areas of the room and kind of tweak how our rooms are set up and make them more age appropriate for kids, take out some of the adult sized furniture and really make it geared towards them. And so that they can, each volunteer then will have a group of about 8 to 10 kids when they're serving, and it'll be the same 8 to 10 kids every time they serve. So those kids are going to get to know each other really well. They're also going to get to build relationships with their volunteer leaders really well, which is going to help them really start to unpack and open up conversations about the Bible story and how they can apply that to their lives at school and at home and with family and friends, which is what we want. We want to be able to have an influence in the lives of the kids and kind of how they live out their walk with Jesus during the week. And because we can all show up on Sunday mornings, but it's really what we do when we leave those doors, and are we living like Jesus? So we believe that this is really going to help that process. So you're going to still be there, the services that you help volunteer on Sunday mornings, but instead of having a group of about 30 kids at times, you're going to have a group of about 8 to 10 kids that you'll be doing discussion questions and activities with. They'll still go over for large group like we currently do, but when they're in their classroom, it's going to be a much smaller group. So we're excited that you're going to get to know your kids better in your group. They're going to get to know you, and you're really going to get to have a relationship of influence with the kids. So we're excited. Hannah's been sending out some emails, I know, kind of sharing some of this. We talked about it at last week's volunteer gathering, and we just we're excited and can hardly wait to start this in just a couple of weeks on February 1st. If you have any questions, please, you can always email Hannah or give her a call. She's our elementary coordinator, and you can reach her at elementary@ncvisalia.com, or you can always call or email me. You can get me at kids@ncvisalia.com, and we're just really pumped about what God's going to be doing in the lives of our elementary students. And just to recap, the new rooms for our kids starting on February 1st will be 4th, 5th, and 6th grade in room 1. 2nd and 3rd grade will be in room 9, and K1 will be in room 11. All right, we're excited. We can't wait to partner with you and continue this journey of helping our elementary kids live out life like Jesus. All right, thanks and have a great week. Bye.